briefly gonna go over changing out the LEDs on the cabin lights. 2017 Civic. Pretty sure it's, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the same as my 15 that I had. That's right here. Nope, it is right here. There we go. Knife, tool, whatever you want to use. Come on, don't break. I don't want to break it. There we go. All that it is that little clip, these two little clips. This one it just rolls off of. This is the one you actually have to dislodge. So if looking at it, put your knife like halfway right there, it'll pop it out. Be gentle, shouldn't break. And then it's a little warm because I turned it on. These bulbs heat up quick, so try not to turn them on, or make sure the cabin switch isn't turned to the off position before you try doing this, because if you click them on even for a second, it's gonna heat them up real quick. And here I just have some LEDs. I think if you eBay or Amazon like LED 168 5 watt whatever, it'll bring them up. Yep, they only go in, usually only power on when you put them in one way. So I mean, if it doesn't go on when you put it in one way, just flip it around, plug it in the other, should be fine. Where's my knife? Oh, there it is. The other side. You're damaging the plastic. No, I'm not. Shut up. It's just hard. Once you pop one side out, it's hard to get your knife in on the other. Come here, Rich. Damn it, I popped it back in. Come here. There we go. Didn't break it. Wash, rinse, repeat. See, like I said, flip it around. It's on. You get rid of the dingy yellow bulbs. Nice, pretty white light. Believe. Okay, it's a one piece on the rear. On the rear. How the hell is it? I'll do it real quick. It's a one piece. Yeah, on the rear, it's a one piece. And the clips, I'm trying to remember, are on the back or in the front? Granted, I'm not saying use a knife, because if you cut yourself, that's your own dumbass fault. Just like if I cut myself, it's my own dumbass fault. I'm trying to remember how you... Oh yeah, there's the clip. The clips are on both sides. Oh, there is no clip. It's just little prongs on this one. So yeah, you just got to wedge either end. You just have little tabs on each side, so just wedge one side or the other. Same thing back here, except it's just one bolt that can get lost up here, so be careful not to lose it behind the where's that little tool? Careful not to lose it behind the fucking shit. Ooh. Hurrah. Come on, there we go. Shit. Wrong way. Oop. There we go. Just pop it back in place. Good to go.